Hello everybody, it's Ricky Pound here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be concentrating on one of my latest purchases, which is this absolutely gorgeous double-handled Meissen chocolate cup and its saucer, which we can see here. We know it's from the same service because if you look very, very closely, you can see right at the bottom what appear to be wildfowl of some description, probably geese or something like that. And then if we look at the saucer, you can see them there as well. And this is the famous pattern known as the Tischenmuster pattern. This is probably from about 1730 to 1735. I do have some more saucers and tea bowls from separate services in this pattern, but this one's quite special because it's actually quite rare to find a double-handled chocolate cup. Within this service, no doubt there would have been plain beakers as well with no handles, beakers with one handles, but we have one here with two handles. Also, of course, in the service you would have got the sugar basin, you would have got the slop bowl, you would have had the teapot, etc. But this, as I say, is rather special. Now, the Tischenmuster as a pattern takes much of its decoration from Japanese kakeyama, flowers, etc. Here you can see they're very brightly coloured, and that's what makes, I think, the Tischenmuster pattern so special, is the fact that they use these really, really bright reds and oranges, and they really pop at you from the actual ceramic itself. Now, interestingly, there is no records of this pattern actually being used by the royal courts in Saxony, that of Augustus the Strong and later. So although this was being produced at the same time as the figures in Chinese and the other flower patterns and the European landscapes, etc., this was not used by the royal court, but it was very popular. I've included a couple over here where you can see the rears. You've got these lovely triple iron red concentric circles. You often get these little globs on the base of the swords, on the hilts, and a mark just above it. And we've got another one over here as well. And then you've got these lovely interiors here. That one is in purple. That one is a little bit more elaborate there. Etc. That one's picked out in gold. So, as I say, these date from around 1730 to 1735 for the set, and that in the centre is a double-handled chocolate cup. Now, hot chocolate at this day largely came from places like Mexico. It was quite a thick substance, hence the double handles as well. And if I turn this one over, you'll be able to see the very early cross swords with the little globs on the bottom, and then we've got a little painted blue number there on the foot rim. And so there you have it. Here we have a set of 7, so 4 saucers, 2 tea bowls, and the double-handed chocolate pot. Thank you.